Hi, welcome back. It's G-Man here, My World 67. Just a quick follow-up on that. Mark's Repowered American Flyer Hiawatha, pre-war Hiawatha engine. Well, first of all, get it over here. Remember in the previous video that said two holes down in here and one on each side, and I got rid of those holes and it's now repainted. Looks pretty good. I can probably sand that down a little more, get that a little smoother. At the time it was still just a little bit soft. We got the motor mounted, of course. We got that front cowling straightened out. And I added a headlight lens. And we made that headlight lens out of something, a little trick that works pretty good that I picked up from Ben's over at Ben's Trains. He found that idea out, and I had seen him. I kind of had thought about it, but he actually did it, and so I said, well, that's a pretty good idea. So I got these a package of these clear bumpers, and they come in different sizes, 36 of them, and I can't remember what the cost was on them now, but they're self-adhesive, and you can also add glue or whatever wherever you need it. But they're for appliances, small appliances, telephones, computers, hardware, whatever. Keeps stuff on the bottom. You put it on the bottom of the feet of things, and it kind of keeps it from moving around. So anyway, we use that for the headlight, and it worked out really nice. And then there's always on these particular Hiawathas, of course, they've got kind of a pear-shaped lens that goes in them, and so at the very top up here there was a little gap, and I filled that in with hot glue. Here's that other side. And you remember when I was cleaning it, some of the paint came off, and so I got that touched up. Now, it's not an exact match, but it's good enough for now. Okay, let's see what it does. Well, it still runs, so we got that right. And it gives us a nice bright light. I changed the bulb out also on it. It had an original bulb in it. The original bulb actually popped. And I put in another bulb, and I didn't like it. It was kind of dim. And so I put in a 14 volt bulb, and it's a lot brighter. And in these metal engines, it's not a problem. Get a different angle of it here. And then hopefully in the next day or two, I'll be able to actually show it to you running on the layout. Alright, that's all I have for you for now. Just wanted to do a follow-up on that Marks Repowered American Flyer pre-war Hiawatha engine. Up and going, ready for service. As always, happy rails to you until we meet again. Bye-bye for now.